Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post to your community on the Weverse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. And after that you should tap on this button down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that you should scroll down to the My Community section and select the community that you have already joined and to which you would like to post, so tap on it. And after that you should tap on this plus icon that you can find in the left side corner at the bottom and tap on post, indicated with this pencil icon. So then you should type in your post. And you can attach pictures, as you can see down below, and insert files by tapping on this button, and links too. Then tap on this pause button and you can hide it from the artist if you tap on this hide from artist button in the middle of the screen. So tap on post and then your post will be uploaded. As you can see, it appeared here. If you tap on this more button you can delete it if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.